Poplar boys need a TV stand. Turn this, and this, and this into a TV box. So it looks a little different because I'm here at my friend's shop. It's nice because he lives right down the street from me. I'm cheap and I want to save money. So to save money, you got to use what you have. I had a few scraps, I made a crappy desk, and I bought one piece of poplar. So we're gonna break all that down and make a nice little TV box for my boys. The only piece that is a white oak piece of plywood. Again, scraps. It's gonna be the center shelf, and the others are birch. You know, main wife tells you not to shake her. Walnut stir stick. Everybody needs one. Boop. No kind of ventilation. Better light move. Making this. The only thing I didn't show was me attaching it to the wall, but basically I located my studs in the wall with a magnetic stud finder. I pre-planned where I was going to hit my studs. I hit 2 studs here, and then I hit the same ones here and here. It's perfect that it fell center almost, but this thing is, I mean, I can basically hang on it and it's not going to go anywhere. The purpose of these nailers is to have 3/4 of an inch plywood to screw into the stud. If I would have just screwed it into this 1/4 inch, I could rip this off the wall. That's not grabbing much.